In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit and design your website in Canva so that it looks great and is also perfect for mobile devices. So you need to create an account in Canva. After creating your account, your interface will look like this. And from there, you can go to the search bar and search for website. And you will see various website templates available. Maybe you like this one. So, for example, let's say this is your website. Alright, so this is your website, and you can just tweak whatever you want, design, customize, and personalize it however you'd like. If you want to create, edit, or change the font, then if you want to change the text, just go here. And if you want to change the font, then go to the font bar, and you can switch to any other font. If you want to change all the fonts at once, then you can just update them all. Okay, you can see the headline on all the pages has changed. This way, you save time as well. So if you want to change or replace this image, you can just upload your file from your computer and just drag it to replace the existing one. Alright, this way you can customize anything you want. Now let's see how it looks once published on the site. So go to Preview, and this is how your site will look on desktop or laptop. So that's how it works. And if you want to see it on a mobile, just click the mobile icon, and you'll see how your website looks on a phone. So in this way, just check the mobile view, and you can tweak anything you want. Like this, if you want to change or improve the design, just adjust as required and preview it. So in this way, you can customize your site until it looks great, both on desktop and mobile. Once you're done, just publish it. If you already have a domain, connect your domain to Canva, and you can publish it as well. If you want to create a domain with Canva, that option is also available for you. So in this way, you can easily design or edit your website with both desktop and mobile views in mind. So if you have any questions about this video, just comment below. I'll answer all your questions. And if this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe.